Hello everyone! Today we are going to try out some incense formula. Look, these are our ingredients. Dry sweet toastmaster, dry lavender, and dry rose. First, let's try them individually, and then we will mix some of them to make the combined incense. Okay, let's start with the sweet toastmasters. Put some of them in the heater. Okay, let's light the incense burner. Okay, let's lean in and smell it. Actually, it gives off a faint fragrance after just 2 minutes, and then the scent gradually becomes stronger. But overall, the fragrance is on the light side. The scent is faint and sweet, very pleasant, very sweet. Make me want to take a bite. Okay, now let's try the lavender. Okay, let's wait a moment and let the scent come out. Okay, 2 minutes after, let's have a smell. Actually, even without heating, the lavender have a strong scent. The scent of lavender is a bit stronger than the sweetest methods. The scent of lavender after heating is a bit different from when it unheating. It's stronger with a hint of grasses aroma, and there's also a sweet note to it. I prefer the heating scent. It has a slight sweetness to it, but still I like the scent of sweet toastmasters more. Okay, let's try the dry rose. These dry roses, we will gently crush it. Okay, 6 and 7 minutes after. The scent of roses is a little bit simpler, so it takes a little longer for the smell come out. The scent of this rose is same as when it unheating. Pure, faint, but not sweet. I heard that the fragrance of lavender have a smooth and calming effect. But I think the fragrance of rose is more effective, and it makes me feel relaxed and peaceful. Heating lavender have a sweet scent, make people feel joyful. The scent of roses smell feel elegant and serene. These two scents have a sweet scent, make people feel happy and lively. But the feeling of sweet and lovely are different. This one is delightful, and this one not only brings joy, but also make you feel like you want to taste it. Okay, let's make some of them to make the combined incense. Look, these are the roses I pour out. And now let's try to mix the sweetest method and the rose. Okay, let's put the dry roses on one side and put the sweetest method on the other side. Let's wait a moment and see how it works. Okay, in 5 to 6 minutes, let's smell the scent. It feels like the fragrance has developed layers. If we just heat the sweetest methods, the scent is feel like sweet and happy and uplifting. However, when we mix the roses, even there's still a sweet note. The sweetness not such pop up, as there another layer of scent with mellow, relaxed, peaceful red around the happening. Okay, let's try another recipe. Mix the sweet tomato and the lavender. Also put some sweet tomatoes on one side and the other side put some lavender. Also, let's wait a moment. Okay, let's have a smell. Actually, their scents are somewhat similar. Both are sweet floral fragrance. So after we mix them together, the main time of the aroma remains unchanged, but the scent becomes softer. The sweet aroma is not such pop up as before. And it also neutralizes the grass's incense inherent in lavender, make the entire aroma much more feel like softer. Okay, let's try the recipe of mixing lavender and the rose. Pour in the rose and then the lavender. Okay, 5 minutes after, let's check the smell. The individual flower incense become not such pop up as before. The sweet aroma not such pop up also. The entire aroma has also become softer and smoother. Okay, this is the video. If you are interested to the natural herbal incense, you can try different flowers, different herbal, and find the incense of your own. It's easy to make, natural, healthy, and will not cost a lot. Very easy to make. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.